Hey guys, this is Rain. This is 2v2s with a guildie, a holy paladin, Drpepcid. Hope you enjoy it. But yeah, I know what you mean. You didn't do this right.
Is Tavius on right now?
No, yeah.
Oh, they are. Oh, I was about to say, they might be doing 3 or 2s right now. What is
Shaman,
this? Frost Mage,
Ellie.
Ellie, Shaman.
I'm gonna get in the alley.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure you'll be fine with
Yeah, don't open yet. The Frost Mage disappeared. I don't want to just... Okay, I guess.
Deep freeze. Hpally.
Survival instincts.
Elemental mastery.
I sacked that, so...
Hpally.
I mean...
Yeah, that's fine. He's dead.
Counterspell.
I'm shadow melding, so he can't do damage. Re-stealthing. Okay.
Dang, since I got my new computer, I don't think I've ever played under 64.
I'm sure I could fix it if I went, like, low graphics. It's just, like, the game looks so much better and higher. But I think I fixed it a little bit, so...
I play on Ultra.
Oh, aren't you fancy? I play on fucking fair.
But, I mean, when I got out of basic training, dude, I bought a really fucking nice computer.
Looks like Rogue Mage.
Rogue.
No, he had Dalaran Brilliant.
Oh, really? I didn't see it. Okay. Same thing every time.
Yeah, I'll open on Rogue.
I'm sapped. Here comes a Nova.
That's a Fire Mage.
Trinketed. Shadow Dance.
Yay, LOS.
I'm gonna pop Survival for Shadow Dance.
Counterspell.
Oh, he got me in a counterspell.
Smoke bomb.
I'm in smoke, but I still have cooldowns up. So
Evasion. Hpally.
I'm cycloning Mage to interrupt that Hpally.
Trinketed. Sacrifice. Hpally. Countered.
Focus kick, Hpally.
Rogue stun full.
Popping cools.
Evasion down. Hpally. Vanish.
Cyclone Mage. It's probably dead from bleeds here. Oh, nope.
Cloak down.
Yep,
Yeah,
got it. Someone like you.
Yes, Mikey, sing to me! Good job.
Me. Did Q pop? I don't even remember.
Yeah, I did. We're in here. Hurry up and log back in. I'll just, like, stall or stand here or something.
I'm logging in now. Alright, perfect. I hate that. They need to fucking fix that shit, dude.
The random DCs.
Yeah.
Ret Rogue.
Ret Rogue.
I'm gonna go on Ret.
Alright. I'm
sure
sapped. Watch out, watch out. Don't open it. Don't open yet. He's coming behind you. Ish. Let me get out of this sap first.
You'll be fine.
Alright.
Freedom.
Alright, he's on me.
Repentance.
Oh, that's stupid. I hate when I can't fucking see.
Zealotry. Trinketed. Avenging Cloak of Shadows. Blind. Shadow Dance. Cloak down. Smoke bomb. Divine Shield.
Alright, bubbled. Cycloning Rogue. Oh, he kicked. Fuck. Back.
Bubble down.
Let's not heal at all, cause
we're good.
Preparation. Smoke bomb.
He's dead. Alright, I'm going to run out of smoke now. Oh, I cycloned him. I didn't even realize that. I guess I'm retarded. I work out. Girl, look at that body.
Jesus Christ.
Alright.